Did you know the average 8 to 18-year-old consumes 6 to 9 hours of digital media each day, while over half of millennials and Gen Zers say they prefer to learn through video? Well, in today's tutorial, we're going to show you just how easy creating a TikTok-style video is in Canva. Hi, I'm Lena, and I'm a design educator here at Canva. I have over 10 years of classroom experience, so I understand how hard it is to keep students actively engaged and excited about learning. With over 25% of TikTok users base being between the ages of 10 to 19, we can assume bite-sized video content is here to stay. Video is a brilliant way to enhance learning and embrace the 21st century skills of collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. Videos can be used in any subject and across most grade levels. You can use this style of learning to introduce a new concept, create a lesson summary, create a book trailer, or even create an explainer video. With video content getting shorter and shorter, we see teachers worldwide experimenting with new types of learning content like TikTok-style videos. So if you've been wanting to captivate your students in an ever-changing digital world but didn't know where to start, well, you're in luck because I'll take you through it now. To start off, let's head to Canva's template marketplace. We can do so by clicking here on the template tab on the Canva homepage. From there, go to the template banner and click on mobile video. Quickly filter by clicking on the education filter like this. You will see hundreds of video templates ready to use. Don't forget, you can always start with a blank template too and come back to the video templates once in the Canva editor, or you can even browse them later for inspiration. I have a template in mind for today. This template was created by the Canva templates team. It's simple and means that I can add a bit of my own pizzazz to it with elements and audio. And who knows, maybe even add a video clip from Canva's ever-growing video and audio libraries. To open the template, simply click this button, or here's a fun hack, star the template to add it to your starred folder. Sometimes I like to star it so later I can share this template with my students to save them time having to search for one later. Wow, that was easy. Now I'm in the Canva editor using the template I selected. We can see here that there is a specific style and pages that accompany this template. Remember earlier I mentioned that I could always change my mind about a template at any time? By clicking on the Design tab and selecting Templates in the editor, I can filter or search for a specific creator or template right here. Pretty amazing. You never know when a new design inspiration is going to strike. Next, at the bottom of the Canva editor, you'll see there are 5 different pages and an audio track, which you see here in purple. Let's play it to see what happens. You'll notice every time there is new text, it is added on a new page. All right, now it's time to jazz it up and make it our own. Today, I'm going to do a lesson starter for my students. We are going to start with an opener to kick off our new lesson on place value, and I'll simply add a title here. In this lesson starter, I want my students to think about what place value means. I will start by swapping out the video here and searching for a math element in the Elements tab for a photo or graphic that will help my students relate the topic to the image. Next, I'm going to add or remove unneeded text by clicking here. I can also easily duplicate an element by pressing duplicate, or I can even copy and paste. To change the color, I will head up here to the toolbar and click on the color tile to open the color picker. To change the font, I will click on the Text tab on the sidebar in the editor, or head up to the Text toolbar to select a font of my choice. When creating videos for students of all abilities, remember to keep the text simple and easy to read. Sans serif is always a great choice. You can even search for a specific typeface here. I can also add some fun elements, audio, or even mark up my teaching with Canva's Draw app. Who knew creating a video lesson could be so much fun? Now that I've added my content, I want to either add audio or video. So how would I do that? Simply go to Record Yourself in the Uploads tab in the Canva editor. From here, you can select if you would like to record a screen share, video, or only audio. Canva also allows for you to record across multiple pages without having to hit pause, making for a seamless recording.
Today, we are going to be going over place value with decimals.
Let's talk about how you think this number should be written. When you have finished capturing your content, select Done, and then Save and Exit. Canva will automatically add it to your design. Now, to preview your video, select the purple play button in the right-hand side of the editor.
Today, we are going to be going over place value with decimals.
Let's talk about how you think this number should be written. Read it to yourself and write down in your Canva notebook what the extended form for this number is. When you are happy and ready to share it with your students, select the share icon and then download. This will save the video as an MP4 file to your computer. Can you believe it? It's that easy. I didn't even break a sweat. Creating engaging educational videos for your students doesn't have to be super time-consuming. In a matter of minutes, you can whip up a video to suit your needs. But wait, we're not quite at the end yet. Before you leave, we've got a playbook for teachers that has everything from classroom decor kits, mind maps, class schedules, and just about anything else you can imagine. So if you think this is something that might save you a bit of time in the classroom, you can explore the playbook by heading to the link here. You can also check out our Back to School website for some more tips to help you Canva your classroom this school year. That wraps up our video for today. We love seeing all your creative designs you make, so make sure you tag us on social media at Canva or use the hashtags CanvaEDU and CanvaLove so we can share in the joys of your Teacher Talk videos. See you next time!